If you want to connect Mailchimp to Jotform so your form submissions can flow straight into your email list, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full setup step by step, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along even if you've never used integrations before. Once this is connected, you can start collecting leads, growing your audience, and automating your email marketing much faster. If this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Jotform in your browser and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to build the integration. Once you're in the Jotform workspace, look for the integration section. This is where Jotform keeps all of its connection tools for apps like email platforms, payment systems, and automation services. Click on Integrations to continue. Now you'll see a list of available integrations. Search for Mailchimp and click on it. This opens the Mailchimp integration page inside Jotform, where you can connect your form directly to your Mailchimp account. On this page, you'll usually see options for adding Mailchimp to a form, so click Add to Form. Jotform will now prompt you to choose how you want to use the integration. Click Use Template because this is the fastest way to get started with a ready-made setup. After that, you'll see a selection of templates. Choose the template that best matches what you want your form to do. For example, you might want a newsletter sign-up form, lead capture form, or contact form that sends users into a specific Mailchimp audience. Once you've chosen your template, click Use Template again to load it into the form builder. At this point, Jotform is preparing the connection for you. The next step is authentication, so click Authenticate. This is the part where Jotform needs permission to access your Mailchimp account, which is required so it can send form submissions to the right email list. A Mailchimp login window will appear. Sign in with the Mailchimp account you want to connect. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one brand or audience. After you log in, Mailchimp will ask for permission to connect with Jotform. Review the access request and then click Allow. This confirms the connection and lets Jotform communicate with Mailchimp on your behalf. Once you click Allow, the integration should be established. From here, you may be able to map fields from your Jotform form to Mailchimp fields, such as name, email, or any custom information you collect. This step is important because it makes sure the right data goes into the right places inside your Mailchimp audience. If you want your automation to work smoothly, always double-check that the email field is mapped correctly. After that, save your form and test it by submitting a sample entry. Then go into Mailchimp and confirm that the new contact appears in the correct audience or list. Testing is a smart step because it helps you catch any setup issues before real submissions start coming in. And that's it, you've successfully linked Mailchimp to Jotform. Now your form can send new contacts directly into your email marketing workflow, helping you save time and automate your lead collection. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.